Hello guys, welcome to the channel. All right, here we have a Chromebook, Samsung Chromebook 11 to put in a Windows. This is called Samsung Chromebook 3. All right, if you see in the internet. All right, we are want to load Windows on it. All right, it's a Chromebook and it has a Chrome OS. We have tried to load it directly, like using the software the normal way we used to do it. Is not okay. So the method we are using today is downloading the firmware using by flashing out the BIOS firmware. All right, so that's the way we are going to do that. I can see we are removing out the BIOS. Okay, so after taking out the BIOS, we have already downloaded the firmware. We are going to install the new firmware. All right, also if you need the firmware of this Windows firmware, all right, you can inbox me, or you can say get it, and I will put it on my description of the video. When on the description of this video, I'm going to upload it there, because I'm not going to drop it there yet until you request for it. Sometimes I've been dropping it and people are not seeing it, so I will drop it if I see a comment that yes, we need it. All right, so now you can see I've put it on my machine, on the slot of my machine. All right, this is my programmer. All right, so now I'm in my system. All right, so let me test the chip and it's okay. All right, so what we have now, we have to read it. I first of all like reading out the former firmware. It's very important you do that, so that you don't have any problem going back if the firmware that you put is not compatible or is not working. All right, you just have to go back and try again. All right, so now I have read it out. Now I have to install the new firmware. All right, this is the one I've downloaded. Okay, click on it. That is 8 MB also. Okay, and it's loading. All right, so after this, what I have to need to do now is to install a LinuxMint operating system. Alright, the LinuxMint I've been installing in most of the Chromebook I've been doing in my previous videos. That's the one I'm going to use. Alright, Ubuntu can't really enter Chromebook like this. I have tried it. Okay, the reason why is that the software is more bigger than the size. You know the size of a Chromebook. Most of the minimal Chromebook we have is 16 gig. If you have something like 32 or 64 gig storage size, yes, it can go. It can really go for it. But when you have 16 gig, it's not advisable to put Ubuntu. It will not work. And the essence of why I'm putting Linux software operating system, on this Samsung, the reason why I'm doing that is that this Samsung is not compatible with Windows 10 Lite, normal Windows operating system is not compatible after you have done putting in the new firmware. I've tried it several times, it's not working. In different of the same Chrome, it's not working. All right, the reason why is that the brightness is not compatible, the display drivers are not compatible. All right, before you cannot even load down to the desktop. So that's the problem I'm having, and I think that's a challenge if you have the same type of Chrome book Samsung 11. It gives that same problem. All right, so we are done programming it. All right, we are putting it back into the board, the BIOS back to the board. All right, as you can see, what we are doing, we are trying to let the BIOS back. All right, after doing this, we move down to the next step, which I said. Okay, the next step, which I said, installing the Linux operating system, LinuxMint operating system. We are going to install that. Then after installing that, when you install it, you don't need to worry about your drivers. I've always said it. You don't need to worry about your drivers. Your drivers are safe. You have your display drivers working. You have your sound drivers working. you have your mouse working perfectly. All right, you can also reduce your brightness and increase your brightness. That's the one thing about LinuxMint I recommend. They are doing well. All right, and the software is more lighter, and you have other operating system, other applications on it, like your Word. You have your Word that you can type, you can do PowerPoint, you can do presentation with it. You just know how to use the software. Okay, that is one thing about LinuxMint I enjoy using. Okay, so now after this, you can see we are trying to couple back the system. After coupling it, then we'll do that now. All right, if this video is helpful, please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video to your loved ones, to your friends, and do not fail to share, please. It will make me to go viral. Help me out and share. Help me out to like. Help me out to direct to those that need it, please. All right, so we move down to that. Now it has displayed and we are seeing that it's working. So what we need now, we need our flash drive. All right, we need our flash drive to load in our new operating system, LinuxMint. So we have it on the flash drive. Remember, if you want to load a LinuxMint on a flash drive, you need to use the software Rufus to do that, and it can only load only one operating system. If you are looking for a multiple operating system to load, you use a Win setup, which I've been using in my previous videos. You see it there. You use that Win setup and you can do it. All right, so we press escape to get to here, then we go down for boot menu and we select the flash drive. After selecting the flash drive, we press enter. Pressing enter, then we start up the LinuxMint. It's showing there, so we have to start it up now. Okay, you have to start it up. Then after starting up, pressing enter, it will load. It doesn't take much time. Doesn't take much of your time. All right, but at least maximum of 30 minutes you should be done loading it. Okay, depending on your system, depending on how your system is. The configuration of this Samsung Chromebook 3 is a 4 gig RAM and a 16 gig ROM size. It's used and everything is inbuilt. You cannot upgrade it. It's inbuilt. Okay, you cannot upgrade it. What you can do is you can also buy a space for a memory card. You can also buy a memory card to increase the space of your storage. Okay, but the RAM size cannot be upgradable. Okay, so that's the thing about this Chromebook, Samsung Chromebook. All right, now we have gotten to the desktop. Okay, so what we have to do is to click on the icon there, execute, by right clicking on it and clicking on execute for it to start up. Okay, for it to start up. Okay, then after doing that, I think what you'll see again is where you put your name of a country will appear. You will choose your name of a country. After that you choose the language and all that. You have to, it's just a basic setup. I think I'm going to see you through as we are doing it together, or it's just a simple setup that you need to do, and everything is readable. You have to just read and just take care of it. It's not hard. All right, this video, if it's very helpful, please don't fail to subscribe. I still emphasize, please like and share, and I want to also comment on those that have been sharing my videos, liking them. All right, thank you for doing that. Okay, so what we can see there is the network. All right, we are not using any network to run this. All right, you don't need network to run this. You can do this offline, okay, without using any network. All right, so what we are going to choose, no network, then we take continue, and we can actually choose a multiple of it. You can you can, that multiple means to add a software. All right, you can actually do that if you choose to, but if you don't want, it's optional. All right, after doing that, you have to wait. I think the next is going to bring. Okay, choose continue. Okay, continue. Then where are you? All right, you can choose your country. You can definitely use any country you wish to. I'm using Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. All right, continue. From here, then your name, you have to type your name. Your password is necessary. You put a password. It's not like Windows, you can skip a password optionally, but this you have to put a password. Okay, either a strong one or any one that is easier for you to use, you can use. All right, this is where it goes. You have to wait for it to install. All right, you have to wait for it. Now it's doing the installation. It's moving in the files from the flash drive to the SSD. All right. Okay, I want to make a new conversation here. All right, for those that are technician, ICT support, and specialists. All right, what are the challenges concerning Samsung Chromebook 3, which I'm doing now? What are the challenges have you seen so far in installing both the Chrome OS and maybe Linux, or maybe other laptops that you have been having challenges to install Windows or LinuxMint on? What are your challenges? I would like to get a response from you. All right, so you can see it has done installing. We just clicked on a restart. Okay, after restarting, it will tell you to remove the flash drive that is plugged in the system. You just take it out. After taking it out, then it will load directly from the OS, from the 16 gig ROM. So I've removed the flash. It's going to load now directly from it. So after loading, it will tell you to put your password. I think that's all, because all your drivers are installed, all your things are intact. You have not to worry about your driver. You don't need to go online to do drivers. You don't need to go to Substack to do anything. All right, everything is installed. Okay, definitely you will enjoy it. All right, you can also share your disadvantages of why you don't want to use LinuxMint to give me some reasons, and I've given you my own, and I find it comfortable doing it, using it. All right, take care. Bye for now. See you in my next video.